Remind me of you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a little lookbook from the past couple weekends when I went to Paris and Ireland with my family. So I wanted to share this with you guys because when I travel, I am an overpacker. I'm really bad at stuffing things in and before we get into it, as always, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below to keep up with me and all of my posts, and go ahead and give this video a like if you like it, and if you don't, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias down below, and especially Instagram at ToriWhiteJ. I post a bunch of outfit photos in there and just some stories about things I'm doing so you can keep up with me, and if you want a little more dose of me in your life, it's a perfect way, and if you don't, so without further ado, let's get into it. For this first look, I just wanted to do something that was comfy while I was traveling, so I decided to just wear these white boyfriend jeans with a little white tank top and an oversized black blazer to play with proportions and colors, and just throw on some white sneakers and white socks to make it look put together. So since I was traveling, I'm actually wearing the same blazer I was as the day before in this outfit, but I made it look pretty different here. I just added the same tank top actually into it with a quilted skirt that is really cute and warm, and fun tights to make it a little bit more exciting. So this was the coldest day while I was traveling, so I decided to layer up with just a white little turtleneck and these high-waisted gray work pants, and I added the cheetah beret to add a bit of fun with my fur and patent leather jacket as well. So for my outfits in Ireland, I went a little bit warmer as it was freezing. So I'm repping my little Guinness sweater here, and I just added a blazer for layers and my green trench coat, along with some metallic biker shorts and little hiker boots. I threw on the hat to pull it all together and also to keep me a little bit warmer while I was on the freezing shores. So here I wanted to play with color a little bit, especially in such a gray area like Dublin. So I threw on this hot pink sweater and just wore my little slip skirt, tights, and sneakers to have a little fun and playful outfit. I really layered up with this outfit just like the last one because Ireland was pretty cold, but I also wanted to add dimension to my outfits, so the tights, socks, tank top underneath, all add that. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Remind me of you.